Good morning, all. So, today let's learn the lesson How do bees make honey? This is the Unit 3 prose in your textbook. So, in this lesson, we are going to learn about the honey making and honey bees. So, first of all, let's look at the activity given on page number 37. Look at the following pictures and their descriptions. Match them. So, just look at the picture. Here you see the pictures of honey bee, honey making, and honey beehive. So you're going to match them with the concerned words. That is done on the page. When the notes will be sent, even you can see the answer. So but let's check out the answer once again. For the picture A, there's a honeybee's picture shown. So the answer is B. From the B part, answer B, honeybee, matches with the first picture. The second is honey making. Some people are standing and doing something. What is that? They are preparing the honey from the honeycomb. Next, you see the picture of honeycomb, and the answer is answer A, honeycomb. The fourth picture is beehive. Beehive means the nest of the honeybees. Now, let's look at the next paragraph and we are going to start up the lesson now. Let's read the lesson on honey making. So let's find out some questions before we start the lesson. What are the questions here? What is honey used for? Where do bees collect nectar from? So here the question is what for honey used? So usually we consume honey. What is it is useful for? Next question is where do bees collect nectar from? Nectar means the juice from the flowers. Finally, it will be prepared as a honey. What the juice the honeybees collect from the flowers, that's called nectar in the beginning. Later on, it is changed into honey. So let's find out the answer for these two questions in the textbook. Let's read the first paragraph. Honey is the oldest sweet used by people. It's a natural sugar made by bees. It contains sugar, proteins, iron, and calcium. We can digest honey very easily. It calms a cough and soothes a sore throat. It's also known for its ability to kill bacteria. So now let's find out the meaning of the paragraph. Honey is used for many diseases, but it's the oldest sweet used by people. Now we use the honey for many diseases to be cured, but in the beginning people used it for preparing sweets. The honey itself is a sweet juice. It is a natural sugar made by bees. So the honey is a natural sugar. Who makes it? Human doesn't prepare it. It's prepared by the honey bees. What are the things available in the honey? We see sugar, proteins, iron and calcium, which are very necessary for our body's growth and functions. We can digest honey very easily. Why do we love honey, most of us? Because it can be digested very easily. Digest means whatever you eat, it should be turned into proteins, vitamins into our body, in our body. So that is easily done with the consumption of honey. It calms a cough and soothes a sore throat. Not only it's used only to make our food sweeter, even it is used to cure some diseases. What are the diseases are cured? Cough. When you have a cough problem, if you take 1 or 2 spoons of honey every day, it cures the cough problem and soothes a sore throat. Even when you have some problem in your throat, then also if you take 1 or 2 spoons of honey every day, it cures the sore throat also. The problem in your throat will be cured. It's also known for its ability to kill bacteria. So honey, not only it's a sweetener, even it has some medicinal values also. What is the important medicinal value it has? It kills bacteria. Even you must have seen the people applying honey on the wounds when they get the wounds from burning or from any cut and all. If you apply honey, it will be the wound will be cured easily. So now let's find out what is the second paragraph tells. Let's now learn about making honey. Honey making is not very simple. Honey bees start the honey making process by visiting flowers and collecting nectar. They gather nectar in the spring when most flowers and plants are in bloom. They use their long tube like tongues to suck the nectar out of the flowers. So, in this paragraph, you are going to learn how the honey is made. We already understood that honey is made by honey bees, a kind of insect. So let's see how they make the honey. Honey making is not very simple. Honey making is not very simple. It is a difficult work. Honey bees start the honey making process by visiting flowers and collecting nectar.